Pi felt lost. He knew that he was a number, but he didn't know his exact location on the number line. When he was very young, somebody had told him that he was 3.1. He had looked at the number line, and that didn't feel like home.
Pi must not be a real number because he doesn't have a place on the number line.
This made Pi feel even worse. Sometimes 3 was mean to him.
I have a home. Look, it's 3. In fact, I am a very special number. I am prime.
You are odd. All you prime numbers are odd.
I am prime too, but I'm not odd like 3.
I'm odd, and I'm a square.
I'm a square too, but I'm certainly not odd.
This wasn't helping Pi.
Please, somebody tell me my place on the number line.
I hear that it's 3.14192.
9 could be a real know-it-all sometimes. Pi went to that spot on the number line, and it felt good, but he could tell that it still wasn't exactly his home.
Haha, I told you so. You don't have a place on the number line. You aren't a real number.
At least I'm not odd.
Pi wasn't certain of this, but he was ready to claim it.
It's okay to be odd!
All the odd numbers up and down the number line spoke up. An infinite number of voices chimed in at once.
Yeah, odd numbers rock!
This still wasn't helping Pi.
Can somebody please tell me where I go on the number line?
Maybe I can help. My job is to make numbers' lives easier. The definition of pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. It looks like this. Circumference divided by diameter equals pi. Let's draw a circle around me with a diameter of 1. 1/2, please make a circle around me.
1/2 was happy to be brought into the discussion. Some ignored her because she was just a fraction. She walked around 0, careful to maintain her exact distance of half from 0 all the time. She proudly looked at the perfect circle that she made.
See, now we have a circle with a diameter of 1 because the distance from 1/2 on the positive side of the number line to 1/2 on the negative side equals 1. Now how many times can 1 lie down around the circle?
1 wanted to see where this was going, so he carefully laid down around the circle. He found that he fit 3 times with some space left over.
Okay, we have 3. Now let's see how many times 1/10 can fit into the space left over.
1/10 checked the space and saw that he could fit only once with some space left over.
Now we have 3.1. Now let's see how many times 1/100 can fit into the space left by 1/10.
1/100th checked and saw that he fit 4 times with some space left over.
Now you see we have 3.14.
This is great! But how long until we can find my exact address on the number line?
Well, we can do this forever and never get your exact address. We will just keep getting closer.
Pi was disappointed. He still didn't know where his place on the number line was.
But I can show you your exact place without putting a number address on it. Look at our circle. It has a diameter of 1, and we were dividing the circumference by the diameter to get your exact number. Since the diameter of this number is 1, we were dividing by 1.
Pi didn't understand what 0 was getting at.
Don't you see? If you divide a number by 1, you get the number you started with. Since we divided by 1 to get pi, then the number that we divided must also be pi. The circumference of the circle is equal to pi because the diameter is 1. It looks like this. Diameter equals 1, and circumference divided by diameter equals pi. Therefore, circumference divided by 1 equals pi. Therefore, circumference equals pi. Since the circumference of this particular circle equals pi, just straighten it out into a line. Lay it on the number line, and you have your exact location.
Pi straightened out the circle and found his exact spot on the number line. It was the absolute perfect location. He didn't care if he knew what the address was. Pi had found his home.
The
end.
Hello, Cathey Middle School. We are
Crystal.
Victoria.
Aglaé, and I am Daniel Ignacio Malonda Paris.
And we are the Pi lovers.
fundamentally 3. Hey!